Hey there! Welcome back to my channel where we talk about artificial intelligence and stuff that's related to it. So today I found an AI that claims that it can be your personal doctor. Okay, so first things first, you need to click on this link to sign up because it's still in beta. Now that's done, it will ask you if you have a US phone number. There's only so much you can do about it. It's like having a personal assistant who can help you keep track of your health and make sure you don't miss any appointments. While some people have criticized these AIs for being gimmicks or for providing unhelpful advice, it can't tell if you're feeling down or anxious because it doesn't know anything about you. To use this, you'll have to tell it everything. So if you're not comfortable sharing that information, then this won't work for you. But even then, why would you want a robot to know your deepest secrets? You'd rather tell that to a human being. That's just me, though. If you're more comfortable opening up to a machine than a person, well, hey, it's here for you. Others have praised them for being a valuable resource for those who may not have access to these professionals or who may find it difficult to open up to them. But it is still interesting to see how quickly AI is developing and what kind of impact it is going to have on our lives in the future. This is definitely one to keep an eye on, and who knows, maybe in the future it'll be able to do more. For example, sometimes it gives advice that is not medically accurate. That's why it is important to always do your own research and consult with a real doctor if you have any serious health concerns. Also, it can be really frustrating when you're trying to ask it follow-up questions. It just keeps telling you to schedule an appointment with a real doctor. Oh, come on, you're not gonna get rid of me that easily. Anyway, overall, it's a pretty cool tool that I think has a lot of potential. Just remember to use it responsibly, and don't forget to follow for more fun AI experiments. See you later. Imagine being able to ask a doctor any question you have, no matter how small or silly it might seem, or being able to get a quick health checkup from the comfort of your own home without having to wait weeks for an appointment. We're already seeing some of this happen with things like virtual reality doctors and AI-powered diagnostic tools. But who knows where this technology will be in 10 or 20 years? With the rapid pace of advancements in AI, anything is possible. As a person approaches their late teens and early 20s, their growth plates begin to fuse, limiting the potential for increasing height. However, good nutrition during childhood and adolescence is crucial for reaching one's full genetic height potential. Some research suggests that certain vitamins and minerals like vitamin D, calcium, magnesium, and vitamin K may play a role in bone growth and development. But of course, don't take my word for it. Always consult with a medical professional before starting any supplements or making any changes to your diet. The doctor even gave references for this answer, which is awesome. Well, I don't have one, but lucky for me, they also accept Indian numbers. And after that, just give it whatever name you want. It doesn't really matter. I gave it Sarge because I thought that would be funny. And then it asked me to give a reason why I was signing up. I said I was here to chat with a doctor, and then I got accepted. Now you'll be given the option to create a new chat or continue an old one. Obviously, I have no chats, so I just clicked on Create New, and now we get to see our lovely doctor. You know, it needs to know some basics before it can proceed. Okay, so the doctor's office is open. Let's ask it something. Why am I feeling so tired? The doctor says it could be because of lack of sleep, poor diet, stress, or underlying medical condition. It's asking me to describe my symptoms, which is fair enough. It needs context to answer properly. Now, the most important thing is that it gives references to its answers. In this case, it's citing to studies. We should definitely give credit where credit's due. You know how doctors usually ask you questions about your lifestyle? That's exactly what it's doing. How often do I exercise? I don't exercise at all. And then, does smoking or alcohol consumption run in my family? Not that I know of. And then, are there any other health conditions that run in my family? Again, nothing that I know of. Am I currently taking any medications? Nope. Do I have a personal physician? Technically, yes, I guess I do. And then it's asking me about allergies. No, none. Do I have health insurance? Mom pays for mine. But jokes aside, yeah, I do have health insurance. Okay, so it's basically setting up some groundwork. Okay, so let's change the topic now. How can I increase my height? It says most of your height is determined by genetics. I mean, sure, this AI isn't going to replace real doctors anytime soon, but it's still pretty cool that we have something like this to rely on. We've seen similar examples in the past where people have created AIs that mimic the behavior of lawyers, therapists, and even relationship coaches. Okay, so this AI is trained on publicly available data, which means it's not privy to any private information. So what do you think of this? Is this the beginning of AI taking over the world? Well, probably not. Okay, so this is a really cool tool, but it's not perfect.